Yes! Right people, we're doing a bit of fly fishing now. These are some old flies that I've tied years ago. I think we'll go for my bumblebee impression. I feel it might do the job. If it don't, I've always got another bumblebee impression. These are just roughly tied flies, nothing special. There's a few big fish in the lake now, diving about the place. Right, without spilling all of my stuff, let's give this a go. This is an 11-foot rod. We'll sort that out quickly. That's better. Right. Oh, look at that. I'm getting good. I'm just too good. I think I may change my lure now, change my fly, and I think what I'll do is I'll change my fly. I think what I'll do is I'll change my fly to a normal hook and put a little bit of bread flake on there. If, and that is only if, it stays on the hook. Let's get a bit of bread. I hear mosquitoes buzzing around me now. Alright, we've got a bit of bread. Let's try not to show the hook too much. This has to be pressed tight quite a bit. Alright, let's attract some more fish into the swim. There's a couple of nice big ones down there. So let's see if we can get ourselves a carp. Got this massive fish on. I've no idea why the camera wasn't on a minute ago. I've got a couple of I've got a couple of smaller fish on the fly on a bit of bread. Now I'm just trying to land this one, which is probably the biggest one I've had out of this lake so far. And I don't only mean today, I mean in general. It certainly kicked about a bit, didn't it? And there you go. There's another beautiful carp on the fly. Hook's come out and hook's come out of its mouth. Quick picture. There you go. Lovely job. Right, I'm just wrapping a sausage of bread around this hook, squeezing it fairly tightly. Remember to put your bread back so don't go hard. Right, let's try again. Need a bit of slack. Need a bit of slack. Just where I wanted it. Just where I wanted it. And it's floating. And it's floating. And there's fish on it already. He might have had the bait off. Oh no, he didn't have the bait off. It's just down there. It's just down there. I'm going to see if I can get it out. Get it out. Yes, perfect. Just where that was before. Over that way. A little tug. Little tug. Oh. Oh, I'm too bloody quick. I do have to wait. You do have to wait with these carp. You can't just... That was... My casting's getting better and better. And we're in again. And we're in again. I love these fish. They fight so well. Oh. This one's coming in real quick, so he's going to be a lively chap. Cool, that's another one for the pot. Another quick picture. Take the hook out of the net quickly. Then he can go back in the net and back home. Oh, that's a better fish. Oh, that's a much better fish. Well, it wants to go that way into the reeds, but I'm going to have to put a stop to that because I can't have that. I don't like being snapped off. Oh, here's another big one. I'm going to try and keep him out of the reeds. Chance to get into the reeds. I'm just going to quickly, I say quickly, but I'll just scoop him up. There's the hook. There's a nice little fish. Another nice little fish. Oh, that went terribly wrong. I let go of the line with my left hand. Oh. Did you not want that bit, fish? Oh, yes. That's a stronger fish. Might be a tench. Although it's probably a ½ pound carp again. Saying that. Straight into the shallows over there for some reason. Oh, it's in the net. And it's in the net. They just keep flapping about everywhere. Don't you, mate? It's not your fault you got hooked. Right. Try the same thing. A tulip shaped bait again. Like that. Oh, brilliant. Hope this GoPro's working alright, guys. Right, it's biscuit time. Ah, another lovely fish. Onto the hook, that can go over there. The fish can go back. Beautiful fish, absolutely beautiful. Wow, that's a bit better. Nice little mirror carp. They don't fight as hard as the crucian carp in this lake, but they're certainly good sport. Fly line everywhere. Right, I think the hook's come out. Right, hook's come out, so put the hook to one side and put them back.